When you think about some of the products you've used on your skin, do you have a favorite one you return to? Or one you know avoid to all costs? What about your favorite deodorant makes it so? And does your hair love a particular brand or mix of shampoos? This unique blend of what gives those particular products their special properties is what we call cosmetic formulation. Picture your bathroom shelf with all those bottles and jars of lotions, shampoos, and creams you use to feel fabulous. Each of these products, from your go-to moisturizer to your trusty lipstick, have a special cosmetic formulation that makes it work wonders for you. Cosmetic formulation is the process of crafting, designing, and creating cosmetic products such as skincare, hair care, and makeup. Have you ever checked out the ingredients list on your favorite beauty product? It's more than just a bunch of names. It's a carefully balanced recipe. Just like a recipe, cosmetic formulation involves more than just the ingredients themselves. It is also about the amounts, proportions, and how the ingredients are combined to create a safe and effective product. So go ahead, pick a product from your bathroom shelf, and take a closer look at the ingredients list. You might be surprised at what you find. The ingredients, which cosmetic scientists in the industry call raw materials, are mixed in certain ratios and combinations to provide a desired effect. But it's not just about mixing these raw materials together. It's about finding the perfect balance, the right amounts, the best combinations. It's like being a chef, but for beauty products. Each raw material brings something unique to the table, like moisturizing, cleansing, or soothing your skin. Next time you use your favorite beauty product, think about the science and creativity behind it. Like your shampoo, it's not just cleaning your hair. It's making it brighter and shinier thanks to a special blend of ingredients. Some shampoos may focus on shine, others on strength or straightening. Or consider a face foundation with an SPF 30. It's not only about enhancing your skin's appearance, but materials were carefully chosen so that it also protects from the sun. Cosmetic scientists play a critical role in experimenting and testing raw materials in a laboratory environment to find the perfect blend that makes a cosmetic product both safe and effective. They are the magicians here. They use their knowledge and expertise in the lab to find the perfect formula, one that's safe, effective, and feels great to use. They're like beauty detectives, mixing and matching different raw materials to deliver the results we love. So remember, when you read that label on your shampoo bottle again, cosmetic formulation is all about the science and creativity behind creating the products we use every day. It's a fascinating world where science meets beauty, and the result is the amazing products we can't live without.